Hello everyone, I'm here Harish from Lifestyle Glossary. Today I would like to share my May favorites with you, but before that I have a huge announcement to make. I'm hosting my first giveaway which will be announced by June 30th. So all you have to do is repost my picture which I have put on Instagram and tag me in it, and also follow my Instagram, my Twitter and my YouTube, and I will pick a winner by June 30th, and the winner gets a box of makeup goodies selectively done by me. And I just hope you are one among the winner. And now that is done, let me go back to the topic of the video. So May month has been like a very hectic month for me. It was like very hectic because I had to constantly travel between places and states. Actually, I was in Delhi for some time and then I had to come to Kerala, and from Kerala I had to go to Tamil Nadu, and there were like so many complications. So I had to choose makeup which would fit my travel routine, and I was very selective when it came to that. So here are the products which actually cut its way to the May favorites. So at first I have Olay face wash. I was not a user of Olay in the beginning. I never liked Olay because it always caused pimples on my face and I was always unhappy about this product. I never actually thought this product will ever come into use for me, and actually I started using it by mistake. It is like I was busy packing for my travel and I ran out of face washes, and I didn't have any face wash lying around anywhere except for this one because I never used it. I started using it in while like in the plane and while after I came back here in Kerala, but I was very much stunned by the way it cleansed my skin and kept it oil free, and it was like very useful. I mean, it made my skin very soft, and I have these issues when I travel between states. My skin tends to change its way, like it changes it the way, like the skin adaptation issues. So this made it easier, and now I pretty much use it every day unless I get a new face wash where I'll be like, oh my god, that is so good. Item on which I like loved during my May month was my Rimmel London Kate Moss edition lipstick. Yeah, I have a signature of Kate Moss in it. Yeah, I really liked this, but I'm not sure whether this is available in India because I bought this from Dubai, and when I bought it from Dubai it cost me around 65 dirhams, and when I tried to restock this here in India it was around 2437 in Flipkart. So I would not actually suggest you to go for this unless you're like pretty sure, or you can just get it from somewhere, like you have cousins abroad or somewhere and you can ask them to give it to you. Rimmel London is actually a London-based cosmetic company, and it is being endorsed by Rita Ora and Kate Moss presently, and they just released their Rita Ora line of nail paints, and I would like to try that, but again after I go to Dubai. So in India you get the normal Rimmel lipstick for $4.99, which is okay, but I really like this one, and this is of shade 107, and this is like slightly pinkish with velvet, like velvet touch to it, and it stays up to like 6 hours. So during those long flights and constant commutation, this served as a really good intact lipstick the whole time. My next item is again a Rimmel London product, and it's from it's called the Rimmel London Exaggerate Eyeliner. Okay, this Exaggerate Eyeliner, I really liked it because its bristles are like very thin, and it's very useful when you want to give a winged shape to your eyes. And I pretty much use it all the time. I bought this also from Dubai for like 35 dirhams. I think this is available in India. I remember seeing this in Nika.com, so I think you should try it there. Otherwise, it's like pretty good. Nika, I guess you'll get it there. So this one is also there. The last one on my list, yeah, Maybelline nail paint, and this is the shade 707 of burnished gold. I've been using it like ever since I did a nail paint haul in May. You can check all the details in my blog. I did like a huge nail paint haul and I bought like 8-9 nail paints altogether, only Maybelline. So I've been like constantly using it. I guess I even used it today. See, yeah. So I use it every day, like not every day. I use it like every week. I mean, I like to experiment with the colors, but this serve as like a really good base or really look like a good design, and I prefer wearing it like on casual days. This shade burnished gold. So these are like my May favorites, I guess. So if you like it, like do if you have any suggestions which I could like try for this month, please do let me know, and please rate, comment and subscribe. And as I told you, I have a giveaway going on right now, and do like subscribe to my channel and follow me in Instagram and follow my Twitter, and repost the picture that I have put in Facebook page as well as in Instagram, or any of like in just repost any of this and tag me in it, so that I can know that you have participated in it, and I'll be picking up a winner by June 30th. So until then, I'm like very excited about this giveaway, but until then I just hope you all have a good time and see you soon.